Hello everyone, in this lecture we will solve analytical problem related to fillet weld joint. Okay, so the question says two plates are connected to form a fillet joint using 6 mm weld. Welding is provided on three sides with a lap of 300 mm. Find the strength of joint. Use Fe 410 steel, assume soft welding. Okay, so it is given that two plates are connected to form a fillet joint. So from this it is clear that this is the case of the fillet welded joint. Okay, then using 6 mm weld. Okay, so size of weld is given, that is 6 mm. Then welding is provided on three sides with a lap of 300 mm. So here you can see these are two plates which are connected by the help of fillet weld. Okay, this is the plan view. Okay, this is the top view of the connection. Let here assume that here these two members are connected by the fillet weld. Okay, so if from the top, okay, you will see, so you can see this plate also, okay, this plate also, and also this plate, okay, and you can see this weld which is provided along its sides. Okay, here the weld, okay, here also this weld, here also this weld. Okay, so on the three sides you can see the welds, and you can see the edges of these two plate. Okay, so this is the plan view. So it is given that the weld is provided on three sides. So from the figure you can see here the weld is provided on these three sides, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and with a lap of 300 mm. So the overlap between two plate is 300 mm. So here you can see this overlap length is the 300 mm. Okay, then find the strength of joint. Okay, so and it is given that use Fe 410 steel, that means Fu is 410 MPa. Then assume soft welding. So for the soft welding the value of gamma mw is 1.25. Okay, so next calculate the design strength of joint. Okay, so strength of joint. So here it is asked to calculate the strength of joint, that means the strength of the weld. Okay, that I have already discussed, I have already cleared about that. In case of welded connection, the strength of joint means we need to calculate the strength of weld. Okay, there is no need to calculate the strength of plate for the strength of joint. Okay, so strength of joint. Okay, so the design strength of fillet weld can be calculated by the formula, that is Fu divided by √3 into gamma mw into area of weld. Okay, so here area of weld is the effective length of weld into effective throat thickness. Okay, so effective length of weld, okay, that means the overall length of the weld minus end return. Okay, so here you can see the effective length of weld. From the figure you can easily calculate, that is 300 mm plus 200 mm plus 300 mm, that is the effective length of weld. So there is no need to deduct the end return. Okay, so here the effective length of weld will be 300 plus 200 plus 300, this much length the weld has been provided, okay, into effective throat thickness. So effective throat thickness can be calculated by K into size of weld. Okay. So this is 800 into K. K is the constant which depends upon the angle between two fusion faces. So here also you can see that this the angle between these two fusion faces is 90 degree. Okay, so in most of the cases the angle between the fusion faces is 90 degrees. So the value of K is 0.7 into size of weld. This is given in the question, that 6 mm. Okay, so this is the area of weld. Then Fu is the 410, that is given in the question. 410 divided by root 3, force of welding. The value of gamma MW is 1.25. Then area of weld, that is 800 into 0.7 into 6. So this value will come 636,286 Newton. 636,286 Newton. This value will come in Newton, as here the ultimate stress of the material is in Newton per mm square, and here also the size of weld and the length of weld is also in mm. So this value will come in Newton. Then just calculate, then just write this value in kilonewton, that is 636.286 kilonewton. Okay, so in this way you can calculate the design strength of the joint. Okay, if in the question it will be given that the weld is provided on 4 sides. Okay, let if it is given in the question that the weld is provided on the 4 sides, means this remaining side also the weld will be provided. Okay, so here only here all the things will be same, but this effective length value will be different, that it will be 200 plus 300 plus 300, this is also 300. Okay, 300 plus 200. Okay, so this value is coming 1000. Okay, so only the effective length of weld, this value will change, all the remaining things will be same. Okay, so the numerical is very easy. Okay, so never leave this type of questions in the exam. So try to attempt this type of simple and easy questions. Okay, so this much all about today's class. In the next lecture we will discuss about the design procedure for the design of fillet weld. Okay, thank you.